Mid-Pacific Wheels, we've been serving Hawaii Island for over 30 years. We've got experienced staff in commuting and touring for your specific needs. We've got the largest selection of all types of bikes, from tricycles to top racing bikes. You need fuel efficient? We've got it. 4 and 2-stroke engine, mopeds in stock starting at just $1,425. And they're DOT approved. Fuel efficient, getting over 89 miles the gallon. Check out our complete repair department with parts and accessories right here in stock. Need skateboards? We've got them. And we've got the largest inventory of wheels, shoes, helmets, all in stock. And Merry Christmas Hawaii! Save now for the holidays. 10% off on BMX, mountain, and cruiser bikes, 10% off on accessories, and 30% off on selected BMX bikes. Use our convenient layaway and check out TV Guide for weekly specials. Mid-Pacific Wheels, the longest running family-owned bike shop on the island. Come by at 1133C Manono Street at the corner of Manono and Lanikalula Street in Hilo. Or call us at 935-6211. Mid-Pacific Wheels, see us today.